This is Trade Legacy. Here I teach DIY pattern drafting to beginners, intermediate and advanced. If you would love to learn how to cut and sew on your own, please kindly like, subscribe and comment on my channel. And also turn on the notification bell so that every time I post, you don't have to search for me, you get the notifications. Thank you very much. So today I'm going to teach you how to cut a basic sleeve for a gown or a blouse. Stay clue and learn. So without saying too much, let's start. The first measurement I'm going to take is my sleeve measurement, which is going to be 10. The next thing I'm going to take is my bicep, which is going like from my shoulder to my bicep. So it's 4. Okay, so I'm going to take a straight line, and I'm taking a straight line here. Then for me to get my bicep measurement, it is to divide my bust measurement into 6 and add 1.5, which is going to give me 7.5. I'll take the 7.5 measurement here and I added half an inch to it. Then for me to get my cap height, I'm going to divide my bust measurement into 12 and then add 1 to it. So I divide my bust measurement, which is 36 divided by 12 plus 1 inch is added. That is going to give me 4. So where I have 4, I'm going to mark it here. Okay, this is 4. Now exactly where I have the 4, I'm going to divide it into 2, which that is going to give me 2. So where I have this, I'm going to keep it like this. So this is where I have 2, and this is how I'm going to keep my ruler. Please, my French ruler, see the way I'm keeping my French ruler to curve, so that you will do the same. You will not make mistakes. And then I curve. Then here, the 6 where I have 10, my 10, that's my almost my elbow is 10, is 5 plus 1 inch allowance, that gives me 6. Then I'll connect it like this. So this is my basic sleeve. Okay guys, to do the long sleeve now, I'm basically just repeating what I did on the short sleeve here. So but for those that did not get the first when I explained on the short sleeve, please kindly pay attention so that you will learn. So this is it. I'm going to take my sleeve measurements, and the first is just for me to get my starting point, which is 1. I just want to know where I'm starting from. So here, the other side is off. Then my sleeve measurement is 19, let's say 19 and a half. So that's everything is just my sleeve measurement, but I have to take a straight line. Okay, so after that I'm going to take my upper arm measurement, which is 6, then my elbow, which is 10, and then my lower arm, which is 13, and then my wrist, like my sleeve length, which is 20. Okay, I'm going to do a straight line. I'm just going to take a straight line. There is no difference with this. And before then, for me to get my bicep, I'm going to mark 4. 4 is my bicep, so I'm going to take 4 here, which is my bicep. So to repeat everything that I did here, you know that my bicep is to divide my bust into 6 and add 1.5 to it. That gives me 7.5 here. And I added half inches for sewing allowance. I have total 8. And then For me to get my cap height, I put my bust measurement into 12 and added 1 inches to it. That gives me 4. And where I have this 4, I have to stay here, keep my measurement tape here, and divide it into 2. That gives me 2. Total is 4, and I divide it into 2. It gives me 2. So I'm still, you can decide to mark a straight line or you leave it. Okay, now I'm going to take my upper arm measurement. My upper arm measurement is 12. That is 6 half with half inches sewing allowance, 6.5. Then my elbow is with sewing allowance. I have 5.5 divided into 2 is 5. Then what half inches allowance, 5.5. And then my lower arm is 11, 5.5. It's almost it's the same thing. So from here I have 8 plus sewing allowance. I have 4.5. So this is how I'm going to add this. So this is my sleeve, and then here, see how I'm keeping my French ruler to connect so that this is for my sleeve. Okay guys, we have come to the end of our class. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.